Get yourself a bone. Did you get a bone? Sure seemed like a rock. Okay. Look at you go. Alright, I'm gonna go for a walk. Let's come down over here. Yeah, sweetie. Let's make a cross here. Let's go this way. Good girl. Yep, go to the right. I'm following you. Let's go this way. Come over here. Here, over this way. Hey, come on. Let's go this way. Good girl. Ooh. It's cool right here. It's a great place to come. Just way down the water. What you doing? Get your bone? Oh, there it is, Pumpkin. Let's see it. Come here. Oh, now you're showing off. Come here. Sierra, no. Hey, Pumpkin, no. Let's not go over there. Come here. Guess what? Sierra. This is gonna go for a victory lap over here. What do you think is me? Okay. Man, that's for you. See he's here? Is he here, baby girl? No. He's a good girl. Hey, what's going on? So I just wanted to put that right here. Do you want me to just give this back here or just leave it on the thing?
You can leave it on.
Oh, okay, cool. Thanks a lot. What's the number? Unfortunately, the truck's back in the shop, and so I was able to get in with Kevin over at Nichols Auto Fab and really like going to his shop. He's always got the coolest rigs, and I was admiring this incredible Chevy Blazer. But what happened with my truck is I noticed the steering was getting kind of messed up on it, and it seemed like it was loose. So I had him check it out, and the rack and pinion needs to be replaced. And so Sierra really enjoyed her day yesterday as a shop dog. She was pretty much greeting everybody as they came in, being real friendly to everybody. and all that stuff. So we're going to be chilling here, and I want to say thanks to my friend Jason. That's Happy's Trails. He's got the ambulance. That's the overland rig, for giving me a ride yesterday and taking care of everything. So really appreciate it, brother. All right, some more truck repairs, but that's all right. We'll get this squared away and get on the road. And, you know, honestly, I started thinking, I haven't had my truck in working order to be able to truck camp since last September, when the engine went out when we were outside Telluride. And so it's been a long year. Every month I've had something to do to that truck. Then as soon as I got that, whatever needed to be done, repaired, and get my truck back, and something else would break. And so that was why we spent so much time at the property this year. But I'm really anxious to get back on the road. I cannot wait to get jamming. Talk to Truck House Life. Tim and I are going to meet up in September. And then also we've got some other friends that are nomading in Colorado right now. So once I get the truck done here in Prescott, we're going to go back to the place, get some things squared away, and probably roll out in about a week and go to Colorado for the rest of the year. So I'm going to be taking my winter camping stuff with me, the stove, the tent, all that good stuff. The Bighorn 3, I think all I'll do is I'll maybe just make a little adjustments to the zipper on the front. The front door is kind of failing a little bit, but I can use some like Velcro or something like that and sew it in there, some heavy duty stuff, and really get that squared away. And then just jam all winter in winter camp. And as long as Sierra's feeling good and her cancer is in check, then we'll be out there in the thick of it. So thanks everybody for watching. Sorry I've been gone for a little while. I just kind of took a break from YouTube, but I'm back, so you can expect regular videos. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.